Assalamualaikum everyone, I'm Farhana bint Islam. I'm learning Python, and after learning Tkinter, I have made a project which is basic calculator. And okay, I'm going to show you. Suppose 90 into 4, answer 360, delete, and 7.2 minus 5.2, answer 2.0. Okay, then delete. Okay, it's a simple calculator. In future I will make a calculator which is scientific calculator, and if you want my source code, you can visit my GitHub. I will share with you my GitHub link. Okay, so you can go and check and visit my GitHub. Okay? So I hope that you like my video. So thank you so much everyone.